In this series of videos I'll be playing through Mission 1 from Armour Battles. Mission 1 is a simple meet and engagement between US and German forces. Each mission includes a map showing terrain information and each side's deployment zone. German battle group contains 7 units. It has 3 command dice, 2 staff orders and 6 morale. The Panther G is a medium armoured fighting vehicle. It has a move of 6 plus 1d6 inches. The Panther rolls 9 reaction dice versus frontal attacks and 7 dice against other attacks. It's armed with a 75L70 gun with a short range of 9 inches, an effective range of 18 inches and a long range of 36 inches. It fires with 9 anti-tank dice. The Panther has sloped armour which increases its frontal armour to 9 dice. The Germans have 3 command groups. 1 of Panthers, 1 of Panzer IVs plus a Stug 3G platoon. The US battle group has 9 units. 3 command dice, 3 staff orders and 8 morale. The US battle group contains 3 M4 Sherman companies of 2 75mm platoons and 1 76mm platoon. In this battle the Germans deploy first. Units are deployed in their respective deployment zones. Victory is achieved by reducing the opposing side to 0 morale. 1d3 morale points are lost each time a unit is dispersed by enemy fire. Here we see the Germans taking advantage of the woods and the hill, with the Panzer IVs supporting on the right. The US have deployed 2 companies either side of the hill. The 3rd company deployed beyond the woods. In the next video we'll roll command dice, then play through turn 1. Subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to keep up to date with Armour Battles and Combat HQ. See you in the next one.